Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Colin, and today we're going to go over the 4 basic data types that every Python programmer should know. And here they are. They're string, Boolean, integer, and floating number. And so I'm on the website w3schools.com. It's a great resource for learning Python. And the first data type we're going to talk about is string. So what a string is anything enclosed within the quotation marks, as we see here. So x equals hello world, x is the variable. And when we have the example here to try out, and we click run, it prints out hello world, because that's what x is. This is a type function, meaning that it describes what value type x is. So since x equals to hello world within quotation marks, this is a class string. str stands for string. So the second data type we're going to talk about is Boolean, which is right here. And when we scroll down to the example of x is equal to true, you can try out the example here, and it prints out true. So we're asking the program to print out x is equal to true. Make sure this t is capitalized, otherwise Python will not recognize it. And we also have the type function asking us to identify x is equal to true. Therefore, it is a class Boolean, which is represented here. So the third example we have of a basic data type is integer. So an integer is any whole number that is positive or negative. So an example here, we have x is equal to 20. Print on the example here, prints out 20 because x is equal to 20. Prints out the data type, which is integer because of the type function here. The last data type we're going to talk about is float. So what float is, it's a decimal number, either positive or negative. So we have an example here, 20.5 is equal to x. We try that out, and we see it prints out 20.5 because x is equal to 20.5. Prints out the type float because x is equal to 20.5, which is a float number. And this concludes my video on the 4 basic data types that every Python programmer should know. You can check out the link w3schools.com on the description below, and I'll see you guys next time.